To install Windows 10 on Parallels, you're going to go ahead and open the software and select Install Windows, as you can see. Then you got three options. The one we're going to choose today is image file, since we already have the file, and drag it over to Parallels. And once you do that, then you click Continue. In this section, if you have your serial key number, you go ahead and enter it. If not, you could uncheck the option, and that will pretty much give you a 30-day window for you to activate Windows. Then in this option, I would choose games only, so that way we could optimize the settings on Windows 10 and it performs a little bit better. Here you could check to create a share folder from your Parallels to your Mac, so you could share files and use them on your Windows 10 machine. You click Continue after you select that, and right now Parallels is loading the Windows 10 setup, which it looks like any regular Windows installation. Is going to take you through some steps in order for the installation to complete, and it's going to start gathering the files, transferring the files, the set of files over to your virtual machine. And once you do that, the installation takes about maybe 5-10 minutes, depending on your hardware of your computer. In this case, I'm using a solid state drive, and I decided to go with Windows 10 Pro Edition. And whenever you decide what you want to do, you can go ahead and hit next. And at that point, all the set of files are gonna start loading, and it takes you throughout some steps for you to follow. I think it's automatically, you don't have to click much. And right now it's gathering the files, gathering information in order for the installation to be successful. If you get any error messages in this stage, then you're gonna have to check that file that you drag over to Parallels and see what the problem is. At this point, we'll fast forward the video and we'll finish the setup as soon as Parallel finishes loading the files. Alright, once you guys install Windows 10 on Parallels, you're gonna get to this section where it takes you to the login page. And in this page, as you can see, kept the same username as my Mac computer. I didn't even have to put that information in. And once you see the screen, that means that you are good to go. You hit sign in to be able to get to your desktop. And as you can see, it's successfully loaded. I even tested the internet. I checked my settings and everything, it's good. Here I'm just trying to test to see if it's communicating with my Mac for the share folders, and everything seems to be in working order. I'll try it again just to see. It's something that you could go to the settings and address and see what the problem is. But Internet Explorer is loading the internet. I get the sound, I get connection, Even Katana is working properly, and it's a good sign. It moves pretty fast, so that's why I suggest you installing a solid state drive in order to move or have the installation go faster and manage your way around quicker. As you can see, I'm still on my Mac, and you could change those settings on your view settings to manage a full screen on your parallel machine. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.